life like? This is what your life like. Trying to live your life right. People really know you push your buttons like type right. This is like a movie, but it's really very lifelike. Every single night, right? Every single fight, right? I was looking at the gram and I don't even like likes. I was screaming at my dad, he told me it ain't Christ-like. I was screaming at the referee just like Mike. Looking for a bright light, single, what's your life like? Riding on a white bike, feeling like Excite Bike. Pressing on the gas, supernova for the night light. Screaming at my dad and he told me it ain't Christ-like. But nobody ever tell you when you're being like Christ. Only ever seeing me, only when they needed me. Like if Tyler Perry made a movie for BT, searching for a deity.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming in at all black. I don't even know, man. I'm just here to show you these shoes. You guys have been asking about them. I posted a few pictures the other day, and we're here, man. How good is the Air Jordan 4 Blackcat? Before we get into today's video, I wanted to shout out you guys that entered the giveaway in the last one. 3 hoodies. Like I said, I'll pick 3 different winners. We're gonna do that right here. See if this works. I just found this random picker. All right, so number 2, hit the random winner. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Boom. Byron Parks, congratulations. That's number 1. Let me screenshot that real quick. LeBron James, boom. Pick another winner. Boom. Nicholas Espinoza, congratulations. You're the only sneaker YouTuber I watch. Hashtag LeBron James. Boom. That's number 2. And number 3. Nick _25121019. Yo, those are fire. Hashtag LeBron James. All right, guys, I appreciate you for entering the giveaway. I'm going to basically respond to your comment on the video, get your email, and then shoot you an email, get your address, and I'll ship those out. With that being said, let's do another giveaway. I'm gonna give away 4 different I Collect J's t-shirts. Rules are super simple as usual. Just like this video, and with the normal comment that you're gonna leave anyway, hashtag sheesh. Like I said, you can always follow me on Instagram or Twitter if you want to. That's not a requirement, but it's always appreciated. Now, the rumor is that these are set to release February 22nd. So we're quite a ways out. I mean, today is January 8th that I'm uploading and just even shooting this video. And a lot of sites are saying that the retail price on these is going to be $200. But on the box, as you can see right here, it says $190. And this is the box. Like, it's pretty dope, and it's cool to see Jordan Brand change it up. Now, obviously the Blackcats, or even the scheme of it, I don't even know if they're confirmed called the Blackcats at this moment. We haven't seen them since 2006. That was the last time the official Blackcat colorway released. Here they are in hand. I know a lot of you guys saw the pictures and immediately, like, that was the go-to question. Yo, Mike, what was the quality on these? Are they worth it? They're fire. I asked you guys keep or sleep. You can let me know down below in the comments. But for me, having these in hand, they're definitely good quality as expected, especially at $190 price point. Like I said, that's what it says in the box. So all these blog sites are saying 200. It says 190. I did pick these up from Fine Line 1721. Huge shout out to the homie. I feel like it's been a minute since I brought a review this early. And another thing, this pair that I got doesn't have a hang tag, but they're real, man. I know they're real. Like, I know they're real. Plain and simple. So we can just clear the authenticity check. This is the real deal. This is what you're going to get on release date. This is a retail pair. The homie got them early. I got them early. Boom, my size, got them. So getting into the details of the shoe, throughout this entire shoe, you have that stealth black, which is super cold. You know, it reminds me a lot of, our closest thing to this was actually the Cos 4s, which I have. And do I even got them? I don't think I got them in here. But maybe in a later video, I'll compare the two. Obviously, resale prices between these and the Cos are gonna be way different always. In my opinion, I feel like this is going to be a sneaker that is at all your major retailers. It should be pretty easy to get. They will most likely be sitting in a few malls. And the reason I'm saying that is just because I know that there's gonna be a lot of pairs of these. I don't see them being limited, especially getting them this early. I just expect there to be a market flooded full of pairs. And like I said, these are going to release somewhere between the 22nd through the 25th. I mean, we can even check. Let's check like East Bay right now and see what's up. I don't even see anything. So at this time, I don't know when these are releasing. I'm not even gonna hold you guys. Like January, February, once I have like the confirmed release date, I'll just pin it in the comment down below so you guys will know for sure. All I know officially is that the retail is gonna be $190. There was another rumor of these and the DMP 6s were supposed to drop on the same day, but then I noticed that the DMPs got pushed back, which thank God, because that would have killed a lot of people's pockets. You would have had to decide between the lights on and a new pair of J's, you know? Priorities. Now, more importantly, the quality is exactly like the cool gray 4s, like same suede, just really nicely detailed, no glue marks. You know, there was a point where Jordan Brand was really sloppy with their shoes, not necessarily them, but obviously their factories. And they've been doing a good job as far as that is concerned. These are gonna be widely available, guys. Don't worry, if you want these, you will get them 100%. And your usual sizing, it's just like every other Jordan 4. If you have a Jordan 4 in your collection, or really any Jordan, it's kind of true to size. Just go with your true size, you'll be good to go. I will be honest, I went to Miami like last month and I undead stocked my cement 4s and it was painful. Like it was dreadfully painful. And I forgot how important it is to break in 4s. These shoes are so uncomfortable, like terrible. But after a good few weeks of wearing them, they become cool. But man, the initial like breaking these in is god awful. Like, wow. When I decide to wear these, I'm definitely changing out the insole. That's number one. And it just takes some serious wears on these. As far as resale goes on this sneaker, right now it's sitting at about $300, and that's pre-release a month in advance or a few weeks, whatever the release date is. When they release, I would say long-term resale, I can't see them being worth any more than $270, if that. And the only reason I'm saying that is more so because the pair from 2006 is sitting around a $500 mark, a little bit lower, depending on the size, right? So I just don't see these going for much, even within the future. If retail is going to be $190, you end up paying around $200 with tax and everything. You can make a possible $50 to $70 profit if that's what you're into. And that might be long-term, because initially these might be sitting just at a retail point for a long time. This is just one of those risky investments. But for most of you, I know you're probably going to wear these. This might be one of those shoes that you just want for the year. It's all black. What I love about 4s, you can really just beat them into the ground. And like I said, you got that nubuck or suede material throughout the shoe. So this is one of those shoes that you can really wear and get tons of wears in and just clean them up and they'll look brand new. I mean, like my bread 4s, for example, I've worn those into the ground and really just some simple cleaning and they look brand new all over again. So as far as value, I personally think this is a great shoe to pick up, especially for those of you guys that just maybe you don't pick up Jordans as often and this kind of just brings you back to 06. It's a good look. And you know, we can't really talk about price point and $190, $200 price point anymore, because inflation has really caused Jordans to go up more and more, and it's only going to happen in the future. So it's kind of one of those things, either you're with it or just forget it. I mean, all black has been the wave for years. Like personally, I love being murdered out. Now I was thinking about doing a what I'd wear for the Jordan 4s. Let me know what you guys think about that. It's something you'd be interested in. Even though it is an all black shoe, I could just show you some different fits that you can kind of cater to your wardrobe. Other than that, I will throw these on foot.
Doors on this side, doors all over this side. Yeah. Leaving me, tipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I got quickly. Learn yourself through me already. Gave what you needed, I gave. Yes. Yeah. I guess that's why I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text and call me. Still got love for your mommy. Know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Years of hurt, years of jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. Jaded. I wanna be around, I chase it. I am jaded. You wanna hit me up, wait, Mikey. You tryna come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You want something real, not basic. Yeah. You wanna give me stop playing.
Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you're chasing. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. Back around. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous.
You guys can let me know down below. Is this a keep or is it a sleep? But this is your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.